My dear children, this is the continuation module, that is module 2 of chapter 4. Here we are going to discuss various features of Python in depth. Features of Python. The first feature is easy to use. Due to symbol syntax, that is symbol rules to write instructions, it is easy to use. Interrupted language. The code execution and interpretation line by line. That is, if you wrote 10 lines of code, the translation happens line by line only. The second one, cross-platform language. That means it can run on Windows, Linux, Macintosh, etc. equally because it uses Unicode. Unicode is a standard code. It can represent 1,43,000 characters in the world. Characters are nothing but the keys which are available in the keyboard. It may be either alphabets, symbols, or digits. It is a very expressive language. It is having only less code to be written, as it itself expresses the purpose of the code. That means the reader of that particular code can easily get the point from each instructions. The completeness. It supports wide range of library. That means already predefined modules and functions are available in Python. It is free and open source software. It can be downloaded freely and source code can be modified for improvement. The first point, that is easy to use. Python is compact and very easy to use. Object-oriented programming language. My dear children, the two words, object-oriented language. Object means any values you are using for getting a purpose. So Python is a object-oriented language with very simple syntax. It is very high-level language. That means it is highly understandable by the users or the programmers and thus very programmer friendly. So programmer can easily write programs using Python. It is not tough as Java or C++. It is an expressive language, more capable to express code's purpose than the other language like swapping of two numbers. Look at the code which is given in the C++. Here, A, B are the two variables that is having 2 and 3 values respectively. If you want to swap the A value with B value and B value with A value, that is, if you want to make it as A become 3 and B become 2, we need to write the code in 4 lines. Also, we need another temporary variable called TMP. First, we need to assign the value into TMP, then B value to A, then TMP value to B. Like that only we need to assign for swapping, for exchanging the values between A and B. But for in Python, it can be done in 2 lines only. A equal to B, that is equal to 2, 3. A, B equals 2, 3, which means the A value of 2 will be assigned to B and the value of B will be assigned to A. Interpreted language. It is interpreted, not compiled. Thus executes code line by line and makes Python easy to debug. Debug means we can easily find errors or finding the errors and correcting the errors in a easier way and suitable for beginners and advanced users. The completeness. When you install Python, you get everything. That is, you don't need to install additional libraries. All functionality is available with the Python additional library. Features like web pages, database connectivity, GUI features are available in Python standard library. Python follows battery included philosophy. It is cross-platform. Python can run quickly or equally well on variety of platforms like Windows, Linux, Macintosh, supercomputer, smartphones, etc. Python is a portable language because it uses Unicode to exchange values or to encode instructions. Python uses Unicode for translations. Python is a free and open source software. Free, which means it is free of cost, and we have all the freedoms to use Python like languages. Open source in the sense the source code of the Python programming is open for everyone in the world, so that we can easily download it, we can easily study it, we can copy it, we can edit it, and according to our wish we can redistribute to some other person. That is why it is called open source. It is freely available from www.python.org. It is also open source, that is, we can modify or extend an open source software using Python programming. As we discussed many advantages of Python, Python also have some shortcomings. That are, Python having only less libraries when we are comparing with Java, C++, .NET, etc. It is a slow language. As it is interpreted languages, that means line by line coding only happens in Python, or the translation happens by line. So the compiler or the interpreter uses line by line encoding. So it becomes slow. Weak on type binding. It not pinpoint on use of single variable for a different data type. That is, if we used a equals 10, then the value of a become 10. If we want to change the value of a equal to a, that is capital A, or any name, a equal to, for example, Sri, that is my name. So we can easily change. So it is weak upon type binding. The type of the value we are using is not binded to a particular variable. Then it is not easily convertible to any other language, because Python having its own structure. It is not like C++ or Java. So Python is not easy to convert. My dear children, in this module we studied about the main features or the importance or the advantages of Python, and along with the few shortcomings. Thank you.